For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using acrylic paint. There are 4 basic colors you need to get different values of skin tones. You have white, and then you have 3 primary colors, which are yellow, red, and blue. I like to start with the darkest tonal grading. I take a bit of blue and I mix it with red to get a deep purple. I add a drop of water that helps me for the mixing. And then I add a lot of yellow to create a brown color. I do not hesitate to add more colors and water on my brown to get to a satisfying result. From that point, I take some brown color and I mix it with white. The more I add white, the more I get a brighter skin color. As I work on my different tonal values, I add a bit of primary color, like blue, red, and yellow, to get to a satisfying result. And here you have your different skin color with acrylic paint.